In 1918, Sergeant Victor Roy made it back to Huron County from the war safe, but not exactly sound. His lungs had been burnt out by mustard gas. Yep, mustard. In gas form, it's awful stuff. Though as a condiment, a hands-down winner over ketchup. Victor is granted a parcel of farmland for his service defending our country and gets down to the business of farming. It's not long before he notices his fellow farmers struggling to get capital to grow. And so he does the natural thing. He starts a bank. Actually, a credit union. Problem solved? Not by a cow's teat. As the farms of Huron County prospered, Victor knew that a farmer now had more to lose than ever. So the war hero turned farmer turned financial helper became Victor the Protector. And the insurance business would run through 3 generations of Victor's family, including Victor's grandson, Jeff.
Probably not the best pitch you could have dug up. I think my mom cut my hair with a bowl.
Jeff was that kid who was always looking for ways to help people, with an exuberance that today might have been controlled by medication. You would think that joining the family business would seem like the next step, except for one minor problem. Jeff hated insurance.
Back in the 1990s, I remember pen and paper, typewriters. My dad had 3 brand new computers sitting in the box.
By the mid-1990s, an insurance broker had about as much panache as a used car salesman.
Back then, it wasn't very sexy for a guy like me to be in insurance. What? I'm a university student with a full head of hair. I'm heading out the door with Van Halen tickets when all of a sudden the phone rings. It's my father. He's calling the only guy he knows to get himself out of a technical pickle.
And as he was helping his dad set up the dial-up, it hit him.
With technology and innovative thinking, there were 1,000 ways I could simplify insurance.
It was time for insurance to get a rethink, so Jeff assembled knights at his round table. 3 partners who could help him on his quest to breathe life into insurance. And the Excalibur Insurance Group was born. There was Una, Jeff's partner at home and at the office.
What really gets me up in the morning is people. Working with our team, working with clients, even Jeff. But really, if it doesn't have a heartbeat, I'm not interested.
And Paul, the logistics, analytics guy.
Process, procedures, and numbers do excite me in ways that could be illegal in some countries.
And of course, Ken. He's not a chatty Cathy, but he'll tell you.
Without implementation, ideas stay ideas. Talk is cheap. I get stuff done.
4 different personalities with the same purpose. No, it wasn't to sell insurance like a monkey cranking an organ. Anyone with a heartbeat and a license could do that.
Instead of pumping out policies, we became laser focused on making insurance easier to understand, compare, customize, and buy.
There was Excalibur University to answer questions before they were asked through videos and blogs, sprinkling a little humor on various topics because insurance is too important to be boring. Rate Reducer, an online rate comparison tool for home and auto insurance, letting people compare 10 of the top insurance companies on their tablet, phone, or computer screens. They pushed the envelope again with Aiden, self-learning artificial intelligence that works 24/7 to answer online questions for people who need instant information. InstaShield that takes client freedom to the next level, letting customers quote, tailor, buy, and print their policy online in minutes, with an Excalibur Defender standing by for advice whenever they're needed.
All that tech was cool, but like Victor the Protector, Excalibur really existed for one reason: to defend and champion people in their time of need.
They created the Defender Difference program, allowing Excalibur employees to access funds and paid time off to volunteer and give back to initiatives and charities of their choice. And started the Defenders of Honor program in partnership with the London Knights of the OHL, recognizing those who have honored our country with their service. They handed out Community Champion Awards, recognizing everyday people who go out of their way to help others without expecting anything in return, along with funding all sorts of community needs, getting deserving kids into camps and volunteering wherever they can. Well, that's just the right thing to do. Yep, Victor might have a smile on his face, but he'd also be quick to point out there's lots more yet to be done.
I'm Ken.
I'm Paul.
I'm Una.
And I'm Jeff. And this is Excalibur Insurance Group.